we set up the Ghana Infrastructure Investment Fund. 25% of ABFA was supposed to go into the Ghana Infrastructure Investment Fund. We started funding it together with the increase in VAT from 15% to 2.5. The entire that 2.5% was supposed to go exclusively into the infrastructure fund, and the reason was quite simple. The rationale, Ghanaians started complaining. We are not even seeing the oil revenue. We are not seeing its investments. It's not that you are not seeing it, but it is spread thin, over so many projects, and that is because over time ABFA, the 70% that should go to the capital budget had come to represent virtually the capital budget. So the oil revenue to the capital budget was becoming synonymous with the capital budget itself, accounting for about 80-85%. So it was decided that why don't you then, create the true sovereign wealth fund, which would leverage the markets for commercial projects, and that is the Ghana Infrastructure Investment Fund, which is similar to Temasek, to Dubai Fund, and to all those things that do the real infrastructure. It's not up to Minister of Finance to use the sovereign guarantee approach, all the time. In short, we started putting money in. We also put in 250 million, if you remember, of the 2014 bond to set up a seed capital. I can assure you for sure that since 2017, no oil revenue has gone into the Ghana Infrastructure Investment Fund. So all spending that is coming out of the infrastructure fund is from, the mills, from the Mama industry, since it was set up at the tail end of the year. And similarly, we have the stabilization fund. We also know that there are accountability problems with the stabilization fund, such that a substantial amount of the 250 million that was used, to support COVID, we actually put in, from the one-off